I don't like the format of the sales numbers on this sheet. Highlight that. Control 1 brings up the format cells box. Whatever's highlighted at this time, which is the dotted line around number, you can see there. Arrow keys move between the various tabs. Tab moves between the various boxes. So we can say we want a number. Move on. Number of decimal places. 0. Use the comma separator. You can see the letter U is underlined. Hit the letter U. You can see the OK button is highlighted, so we can just hit enter on that. Oh, I wanted something else done. Control 1. I want some kind of ridiculous font color. So I'm going to go right. Tab, 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 tab. Font down. Whatever font color I want. How about bright green? Black. Selected. Tab again. OK. Off we go. I've pulled together this one-page cheat sheet of all the everyday essential Excel shortcuts. I'm giving this away today completely free. Just click on the link and I'll send you this straight away. Don't waste any more time in Excel. Get this free cheat sheet right now. Click the link.